Tamanna Bhatia recently made a bold statement, and I want you to hear it because I have thoughts.
Luxury and mass can't be the same thing. If they're truly buying into luxury, I would want to give them an experience of something actually holds value in the long term. An 80% drop in the price of I'm selling them luxury, I can't give them that experience value.
Now, I love Tamanna Bhatia, but I have to call out what she just said. She called lab-grown diamonds massy and that natural diamonds hold more long-term value. Well, she owns a luxury diamond jewelry brand, so I get it. But what she did fail to mention is that the entire diamond industry plays on scarcity to keep the prices artificially high and out of reach for most people. And the unethical mining is a whole other story. But let's do some fact check. Firstly, no diamond of any sort, whether natural or lab-grown, holds any long-term value. A natural diamond of 1 carat, which was earlier available for 7 to 8 lakh rupees, is now available for just 5 lakh rupees, and that's a 30% price drop in just 1 year. Lab-grown diamond prices have fallen even harder by almost 40%, so neither is an investment. Most of the diamond purchases today are by women themselves for milestones, joy, achievement, and I actually love that. And that's exactly why you should not call it an investment. You're buying a diamond for you because that makes you happy. Own that and don't dress it up as financial planning. The diamond industry has sold women 2 stories. One, that love looks like diamond, and second, wealth looks like diamond. Neither are true, both are marketing tactics. Not everything has to be an investment or have an ROI. What are your thoughts on this? Let's talk in the comments below.